All right, our lesson. A fish is at a depth, meaning deep into the sea, of negative 41 and 1/2 feet. A bird is at a height of 24 and 5/10 or 24 and a half feet, which is farther from sea level. All right, so from sea level, one way that we can do this is find the absolute value and see which is farther. So our fish, the absolute value of the fish is going to be 41 and 1/2 feet. The absolute value of the bird is 24 and a half feet. So which is farther from sea level? So is the fish going to be farther below or is the bird going to be farther above? In this case, the bigger number here is going to be that fish. So the fish is going to be farther. So we are going to put this circle around the fish because the fish is going to be the farther one. You can also take a look at it as if you are looking at a number line. Here's sea level, 0. Here's, let's do 25, 50, negative 25, negative 50. 41 and a half is going to be somewhat up here. Or you can look at negative 41 and a half. So that's our fish. Then our bird would be 24 and a half or negative 24 and a half. So in both cases, that bird is going to be closer. So the bird is closer, and this one asks which is farther, which will be the bird. Or I'm sorry, the fish. The fish is farther. And that is it for our lesson.